have the honor to present to you the High Commissioner Designate of the Kingdom of Eswatini.
Your Excellency, allow me to first and foremost express my appreciation and gratitude for the opportunity granted to me to present to you the letters of credence by which His Majesty, King Mswati III, appoints me to serve in the capacity of High Commissioner to the Republic of Kenya, along with letters of recall of my predecessor, His Excellency Promise Msibi. I feel honored and privileged to present to Your Excellency fraternity greetings from His Majesty the King for the Ingwenyama of the Kingdom of Eswatini. His Majesty recognizes and values the long history of existing cordial bilateral relations and cooperation that exists between our two brotherly nations. I assure you, Your Excellency, that I will continue the work of my predecessors. It is my desire to carry out responsibilities in a manner that will fulfill mutual interest of the two countries. Thus, Your Excellency, I'm committed to work tirelessly with Your Excellency's government through His Excellency Ambassador George Orina in Addis Ababa to strengthen our bilateral ties and cooperation. Your Excellency, Mr. President, the Kingdom of Eswatini appreciates and commends the important role you play in strengthening regional integration and cooperation across borders in East Africa and more broadly in the African continent. Through your international and regional cooperation, the Republic of Kenya greatly contributes to the building prosperity, peace, and security for all Africans. Your Excellency, the Republic of Kenya is well known in my country and globally for its beautiful landscapes and vast wildlife preservation. This is a good practice which the Kingdom of Eswatini is equally committed to. Eswatini, Your Excellency, Eswatini and Kenya share similar and common historical experiences that continue to bind us in seeking a changing destiny of our people. It is therefore my desire, Your Excellency, to explore further new areas of cooperation between our two countries. I'm counting on your able and committed officials to assist me in bringing this desire to fruition. Your Excellency, I thank you very much, and asante sana, Mr. President.
Ambassador, congratulations on your appointment to this very important responsibility of consolidating the relationship between Kenya and Eswatini. My very best wishes as you take over this very important responsibility, and as you say yourself, there is a huge wealth of experience to be shared between our two countries. And I look forward to working with you, and officials from Foreign Affairs will be there to assist you both here and in Addis to make sure that you succeed in your responsibility, because in your success is the success of our two peoples and our two countries. Again, Ambassador, congratulations on your appointment. Welcome to your tour of duty. We look forward to working with you, and we are confident that these relations that have been built over time will move to the next level under your stewardship. Congratulations again, Ambassador, and my very best wishes as you discharge your responsibilities. Congratulations again.
Well, that is the last ambassador to present credentials to President William Ruto. Now he will be ushered to greet high-ranking government officials from Kenya. Then you can see the Prime Cabinet Secretary, that is Musalia Mudavadi, and of course the State House Comptroller, as well as other high-ranking government officials. Now you can see that Mahalaba Mamba, the ambassador designate of the Kingdom of Eswatini, with residence in Addis Ababa, currently exemplifying what their country showcases. You can see currently he's wearing an attire from his own country. Now he has assured President William Ruto that both countries that continue to establish diplomatic relations between the two nations, which of course was established back in 1970 on the 18th of May, a few years after Kenya gained its independence. Now these were the 5 ambassadors who have reported to Kenya. It all started with the ambassador from Mexico, that is Enrique Javier Ochoa Martinez, as well as Danija Kubrillo Matic, the ambassador designate of Serbia. We also have Morakot Jemkot, the ambassador designate of the Kingdom of Thailand. We also have Giovanni Conti, the ambassador designate of the Republic of San Marino, who of course made history as the first ambassador reporting to Kenya. And right now the president taking a photo session with Mahalaba Mamba, the ambassador designate of the Kingdom of Eswatini, with residence in Addis Ababa. Also we can see the Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi joining. Now those who are the 5 ambassadors, they will be joining the long list of 11 new ambassadors and high commissioners that late last year President William Ruto received credentials from.